Hi y'all, it's Loretta. I know it has been a long time since I have put out a video, and I apologize for that. I really don't have any excuse other than, like everybody else, I've just been super busy. At any rate, I don't know if any of you guys have heard of the Junk Trunk. It is a kit that Jessica Huffman puts out. At any rate, I won a January kit on a Facebook group comment, which is extremely unusual because I never win anything. But anyway, I did win that kit. And this is a junk journal that I put together largely based on that kit and on a set of video tutorials that she put out. So anyway, y'all be gentle because I really haven't ever done a junk journal like this. I just recently got a sewing machine, which was inspired actually by watching her junk journals. Anyway, I used the Prima, what is it, Wild and Free? I think it's Wild and Free collection. Let's look and see. Yes. I used the Prima Wild and Free collection for this, in addition to her junk journal parts and pieces and kit. Also, I did coffee dye the papers that she sent to me. So, anyway, and if you want to check out, like, her kits, I will link below her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. Anyway, I did make this cute little charm tassel for this side, and that was also one of her ideas, so I think that turned out really, really cute. And then I used a Recollections closure here on the front, and I'll just open that up and slide it over and just do a quick flip through for you guys. And this is a pocket. I did use some, in fact, I think this is the only sheet of a DCWV ledger sheet paper I found at Joann. I found a little notepad, and I'll show you the papers, but pretty much I used cards and papers from that little notepad that I found at Joann. Like, for instance, here in these little pockets here, I just used the cut-aparts from the collection because they were so pretty. So, and y'all, I am so inconsistent. Sometimes I ink, sometimes I don't, and anyway, it's just a little paper there. And then this is a little Bow Bunny sack. It looks like I need to go through there and ink that one. And then, y'all, this is the paper, the little paper pad that I found at Joann that I told you about that I thought was so cute. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is a white grid background. And I just thought with the pink and the foiling that it went super cute with this little junk journal. So, most of the inserts have that. Anyway, okay. We all recognize these. And see, there's another one of those papers. So, and then here's some cut-aparts from the... And then here, I just used a page protector and made a little shaker pocket. And that's a page from the collection. And this is a little pull-out that I used a little lace piece. I'm not going to pull these out unless it is not that paper. If it's that paper, I'm just going to tell you that's what it is. Like, you can see. See, there's a piece of that paper, a piece of that paper. This is a side pocket, which I thought was a pretty cool idea. And then this. No, I glued that all the way down. Some of my left as tuck spots, and some of them I glued all the way down because this book got fat really quick, even though I did only do 2 signatures. So, yeah, it just really got super fat, super quick. And you guys, I just love how this little journal turned out. I just really do. I think it's so super cute. Another one of those bunny bags. And here's a couple of cards there. Bunny bag there in the pocket. And you can tell that's a pocket. Made that into a tuck spot. There's a little one of those. See, I just really thought that this paper went so cute. And then that is one of the fold down cute little idea that she had, which I think is super cute. I'm not going to take these out because y'all just saw the last one. And that's exactly the same. So I'm just not going to take all of these out because you guys, you can tell what's what. I just love that paper though from Joanne. I had to cut it down a little bit for this spot. But I just think it's so cute. I may go back and do that. Let's see, where was that other one? Oh, never mind. I did do that. Ha! So cute. Another one of those little sheets of paper. And I figured that would be really handy to journal on, too. You know, with the white grid. I just love the feel of this paper, too. I really think that that is the true sign of a scrapbooker or a paper crafter, is that you just love the feel of the paper. Cute little. I just love how this turned out. I'm telling you, I'm in love. I might be hooked on making junk journals now, like, from now on. Ha! Really cute. I just think it turned out so cute. And this is a soft side journal cover that I made according to her instructions. And y'all, it is a little crooked. See, the signature really is a little crooked in there, and it doesn't bother me. I don't care. Alright, so, and then I'll show you the back. Here's the back. Right there. And then this just comes around and hooks shut. And I hope you guys like this as much as I do. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave me a comment. As always, you know I love your comments. I am going to do a flip through of a Christmas junk journal that I made also with some of the same ideas and techniques. And I'm going to try to start getting on board with making you guys some more videos more often. At any rate, good to see you guys again. And I hope y'all have a great day. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye now.